Hey Next.js superheroes, you might have noticed me publishing videos around the open source CMS I'm building with Next.js and Supabase. I have published some videos in last couple of days around the installation wizard and the first look. So today I'm happy to announce that we have integrated the page builder from one of our very good friends here in UK. It's called Puck Editor. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to demonstrate what we have built till now, and then we will take it from there. Okay, great. So this is the landing page once you clone the Git repository, and after the installation, you go into the admin panel, which you can reach with the dadmin/route. Great stuff. Okay, so let's say if I'm walking you through the whole CMS, let me actually show you how it works from the start. So there's the dashboard. Second one is the post section. So I'm very, very proud of this section. So let me show you around how does it work. So basically, you click on add new button and then you want to add a new article here. So for this demo purpose, I'm gonna simply go on YouTube and then say WordPress, and yeah, I'm gonna copy any WordPress plugins or any video here. Waste of time. This looks a little bit good. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to select this, right click it, go to my AI assistant and make it right to the article. While it is doing that, I'll copy the title and I'll click create posting. And once it's done, it actually creates the post. This is just the placeholder text. So I'm gonna select all and delete it. Now you can see it has the medium style editor here. So when you click a backslash, you have all these editing tools. For example, one of my favorite is images, because in images you can not just upload it, but also, let's say, search for G if you have the API key for tenor, and if you have Unsplash, then also you can search and include the images directly from here. Yeah. And yeah, let me show you actually how it works. So if I get the article now, which is done, I'm going to copy it from here. And I'm going to paste it here. And there you go. The article is here completely. Now I'm going to do is I'm going to copy the URL of the YouTube video and then potentially click on the right side video here, embed the video here. And then for the image purposes, I will just click on image and then say WordPress plugin. And then there are plugins, images here, right? So I'm going to select one of them. So this is simple, straightforward. I clicked a couple of buttons and my article is ready. Let me also add a GIF just so that you guys can see if it's working or not. Cute cat, I like it. So there you go. Other than that, you can actually add quite a lot of things here. It's not just about the images. You can also add YouTube. You can embed YouTube videos here, or you can actually add Twitter embed posts also. So feel free to, play around and tell me what is your thoughts. So I'm going to click save, and then I'm going to click on preview. So the preview actually takes you to a section which is inside the admin panel. So everything inside the admin panel, if you refresh the browser, it looks like this. But if you go into the front end part of the website, and then you go to the blog section, you will see all the blog posts which we have created is here. But the latest one is not here, and that's because we haven't actually published it. So if we go on the admin panel again, so this is the front end for the blog section. But if I go to the front end section, you see this is in draft. So I'm gonna edit it, and then I'm gonna say publish. And this way, the published articles will be populated here. Very nice, simple. And when you click, and it's a server-side component, so it's basically SEO optimized, and all the data is available for Google here. So there you go. Very simple, straightforward, clean, crisp. Best for your website. Okay, so that's what the blogs look like. Now I'm gonna go back to the admin panel again and show you another magical part, which is the page builder. Now, you might have seen multiple page builder with Wix, Squarespace, even in WordPress, but what these page builders have in common is very complicated, and we want to make everything simple for people who are running business, right? So I'm gonna add a page here. I'm gonna call it promo page, and then I'm gonna click on create. So it is going to create a blank page here. Let me move myself here in the right. And then as you can see, you have multiple different kinds of elements. So if I put side navigation, then it will bring the site navigation, which is our actual navigation on our website. But if I don't want this, I can bring a custom header, which will create a custom navigation on the top. But all these things you can do later on when you install things, and then you want to figure out things. But what I want to show you today is something different. I want to show you today a very powerful tool, and remember, this is from our friends from Puck Editor. I'm going to link them in on the website also. So if you go on the AI part of it, and you just add a let's say a prompt. So I have created a prompt here. So let me copy this prompt, go back, and then I'm going to put the prompt here. And then at the end of the prompt, I say it's open source CMS built on Next.js and Superbase, free to use for everyone. Okay, there you go. It started building it, as you can see here. Everything is appearing built by AI. So you just provide one simple prompt and it does it for you automatically. Everything is created here, as you can see on the go, with all the information present, right? So you don't have to drag and drop. You don't have to do anything. You just provide a prompt and it actually builds the whole page for you. Now, there are some bugs right now. As you can see, we have lost the chat here, but it's growing, so we will fix that. So that's pretty good. It's already saved in the database. So now I'm going to click on the preview so that I can show you how does it actually looks in the front end. And here we go. It looks like this. I'm going to refresh it again. Here you go. It looks like this. And a lot of things are not working. Don't take me wrong, but this with few clicks working here is amazing, right? I mean, if I can go back and then just add a site header on the top, and then in the bottom, if I add a footer, right, as we have discussed before, and then just go back to my preview and see how does it looks, it will make a change. There you go. We have the header here, and it's all clickable. It's not like it's not clickable. It's everything is working there. So that is how the CMS part works, and we will keep improving it. I would need help from other fellow founders, programmers, designers, video creators to help us out with this section. Okay, and update all these things with us. Great. So this is the page builder. Now this next section is the media section here, which you can see you can actually create multiple folders, and inside the folders you can create inside the folders, and then here you can upload the things. And just to demonstrate, I had this Ali Abdal's picture. So what I did is I, selected it and I clicked on the move button before in the previous video, and I moved it out of this particular directory, I guess. So I'm going to move it back to this directory, and here we go. We have moved it to this directory. So it's simple. You can move things around with the folders and everything. And then we are going to integrate this into the Puck editor so that you can select the images from here. So very cool media manager here. In the users section, you have simple users listed on your website. And one of the sections I'm really excited about is the plugin section, where we are going to introduce all these plugins for your website, which you can just one click and install and have all the functionality inbuilt with all native kind of look and feel, and everything is like looks like native. So this is what the current not WordPress CMS looks like. So feel free to download it, feel free to install it. I've already done an installation wizard video before, and let me know your thoughts. Happy coding.